Today we are gathered, hearts full of joy, celebrating a precious baby girl. God has blessed the Kamusu family with another treasure to love and cherish. Anna from Makutu, Namosi, and Arthur from Wainunu, Bua Vanua Levu. God has joined your hearts together, and now He sends this blessing to you. Amor and Leslie are waiting with smiles for their little sister to join the family. A home filled with laughter, love, and faith, a beautiful gift from heaven above. A little blessing is on the way, a gift from Jesus we celebrate today. We're praying for mommy and baby too. God's loving hands will see them through. Baby Kamusu, we're waiting for you with hearts so full of love and joy. A miracle sent from heaven above, wrapped in God's amazing love. Anna, you're a wonderful mother, loving your children day by day. We see your care, your strength, your kindness as you guide them along life's way. Arthur works hard and loves his family. Together you make a special team, building a home filled with faith and hope, just as God has always dreamed. Your children are your pride and joy, a blessing shining bright each day. And now another little princess comes to fill your hearts in a special way. Little blessing is on the way, a gift from Jesus we celebrate today. We're praying for mommy and baby too. God's loving hands will see them through. Baby Kamusu, we're waiting for you with hearts so full of love and joy. A miracle sent from heaven above, wrapped in God's amazing love. May God give health and strength each day as this little one grows safely on the way. May His angels watch over mommy and baby and guide them with His loving care. In just a few short weeks from now, we'll welcome this precious little one, and together we will thank our faithful God for all the wonderful things He's done. A little blessing is on the way, a gift from Jesus we celebrate today. We're thankful, Lord, for this precious life, for mommy, daddy, and their family. Baby Kamusu, we're waiting for you, and we can hardly wait to see you smile. The Caroline family is praying for you and looking forward to meeting you. May God's abundant blessing be upon your life from the moment you enter this world. Welcome, little one, welcome with love, our precious baby girl. Congratulations, Anna and Arthur, from your Caroline family.
Congratulations, Miss Anna, and I hope it's a girl, and then
Congratulations, Miss Anna.
Congratulations, Miss Anna. I would like to say congratulations to Miss Anna.
congratulations, Miss Anna. Congratulations, Miss Anna.
I say congratulations, Miss Anna, and I wish the baby's name is Aliyah.
Miss Anna, I congratulate you, and I'm hoping that the name is Sarah.
Baby's name, Eliana.
I hope for the baby girl to be her name, Laquea.
Baby should be named Zelena.
And I hope the name is Liliana.
Name gonna be Leah.
Today we're gathered, hearts full of joy, celebrating a precious little girl. God has blessed the Kamusu family with another treasure to love and cherish. From Namosi to Vanua Levu, love has built a beautiful home. Amora and Leslie are for their little sister to join the family. A little blessing is on the way, a gift from Jesus we celebrate today. We're praying for mommy and baby too. God's loving hands will see them through. Baby Kamusu, we're waiting for you with hearts so full of love and joy. A miracle sent from heaven above, wrapped in God's amazing love. Anna, you're a wonderful mother, loving your children day by day. We see your care, your strength, your kindness as you guide them along life's way. Dad works hard and loves his family. Together you make a special team, building a home filled with laughter and love, just as God has always dreamed. A little blessing is on the way, a gift from Jesus we celebrate today. We're praying for mommy and baby too. God's loving hands will see them through. Baby Kamusu, we're waiting for you with hearts so full of love and joy. A miracle sent from heaven above, wrapped in God's amazing love. May God give health and strength each day as this little one grows